Alright, moving on. Noah Zoom. Oh my god! He's just a cute little cowboy. Oh? Wait a minute. Wait. Whoa. Hang on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. These give off entirely different vibes. The model with... What? I'm confused. That snuck up on me. I'm like, aw, cute little cat boy. You look at him. I just want to give him little head pats. And then all of a sudden, huh? Huh? Gym progress pics. Went from 0 to 60 in a split second. Abs lick. How'd you get a picture of me? Oh my god. The cute innocent ones always hide the good stuff. Apparently, boy things accelerated quickly. Ya think? Yo, BB and Jabby, what's up? Abs lick. Thank you for the hydrate. I need it. I mean, so to the first two, head pats. To the second two, smash. Not the I need it. You made me spit out my juice. You're welcome.